Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I am Charla, and yes, I like pink. Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing, and I hope you guys are not tired of seeing my unboxings because this unboxing is going to be very, very special. So if you want to know why this is going to be a very, very special unboxing, is because it is going to be a giveaway. Yay! So yes, I know you guys love seeing me unbox my bags, and I just wanted to give back to you guys. I am very close to hitting 20K here on YouTube, and never would I ever expect to get this far in YouTube. I started it such a long time ago, and I only had about 600 followers for the longest time, and the more I stuck to it, the more I grew, and the more I just started to show you guys the real raw me. I feel like that's when my channel started to grow the most. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for accepting me for who I am, and I owe you guys the world. And I know you guys really enjoyed my previous video of a vlog of just seeing me kind of like what I do during my week, and I am going to be doing that again, so thank you guys for all the love on that video. But yeah, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and here is the bag right here. Well, not the bag, the box to the bag, as you guys can see what it's going to be. So before we jump into this video, make sure you are following me here on YouTube. If you are not, girl, come on, become a part of the pink family, okay? Become a part of the pink family, and follow me on Instagram as well. And I will list down all the rules to enter this giveaway, because you will also be following the Instagram that sent me this bag. So I will put all the details down below, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. I want to know where this shirt is from. This is from Fashion Nova, of course. I'm not sponsored by them, although I should be, because I buy a lot of their stuff. So I really should get Fashion Nova to pay me. No, but this is Fashion Nova Curve, and I love this because it's just a button up. It's half pink, half white. If you guys saw me post it on my Instagram, I really, really like it. It's super cute, super girly. Got tons of compliments while I was at Ulta. So that's what I'm wearing. And then this necklace, I am wearing it, I believe it's called Noir Luxe. If I'm saying it wrong, I will put it down below. I will put the website. I found this company on TikTok, and they were very sweet and kind to send me some jewelry. Make sure you follow me on TikTok too, because I will be showing all the other jewelry they sent me. But I'm wearing this really pretty Prada necklace, and it's pink, so it's super cute. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So if you guys hear a little fan going, I do have a fan on because my room is hot here in Texas. It's hot and humid right now, so I just have a little fan going. And it is currently 11 o'clock at night right now, so if my makeup looks a little crusty, please don't mind me, girl. I really like to film at night because I feel like I have to do so many other things during the day that I feel rushed to make videos. So I like kind of more like, I really do like making videos at night. But that leads to my makeup looking kind of crusty, so don't mind my makeup. But anyways, here is the box, and of course you guys can already guess what kind of bag it is. So you also, whoever wins this bag, you will get everything you see here. You will get the box, the beautiful ribbon, the bow, the flower, the camellia flower. So we're gonna go ahead and open this baby up. So I'm going to unwrap it, and it's not going to be this exact one. This is my personal bag, but whoever is the winner will get a brand new, like, untouched bag. Just letting you guys know. But anyways, we're taking off the ribbon, and my little doggy is in here. You wanna come say hi, Sebastian? Come here. I feel like they always know when I'm filming. Lola will start playing and going crazy. I'm surprised she's not. And Sebastian will come in my room, and he wants to cuddle with me because he knows I'm filming. So say hello, everybody. So this is Sebastian. He looks so cute. Aw, he's like, come to bed, Mom, I'm tired. I know. Just give mommy a little bit of time, okay? Okay, so here is the box. A little ASMR moment for you guys. I'm supposed to whisper, aren't I? Oh well. Okay, so here's the box. And here she is inside. She comes with the lovely packing paper. We always throw that away anyways. But anyways, it's the luxury feels that count. And it also does come with a little shopping bag, but it does come like kind of bent, so I don't know if you guys would want to like repurpose that and use it like as a DIY, but yeah, it does come with the bag like if you actually went to the store. And I'm gonna put that box down. So here is the dust bag, and I've got a little hair, sorry. Here's the dust bag. So can you guys guess? Shockingly, this bag is not pink, but it is a very beautiful pastel color, and it is from the newest collection. So if you guys can take a wild guess, I'm gonna tease you guys. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna open it. Oh my god, this bag is so beautiful. This is so pretty. Oh my god, you guys, I have been dying to get my hands on this bag because look how cute and girly this is. Like, the strap is pearls. Like, what the heck? It is so pretty, and I love how girly this bag is. It's like a little satchel bag. It's a bag that will dress up any outfit just because it is just so like girly and glam itself. Like, you could wear a plain outfit and this would dress it up so much. So that's what I love about types of bags like this that already like have pearl embellishments and stuff like that. So this is a very, very beautiful lilac purple toned color. In some lightings it does look more pinky, but right now in person it is definitely a beautiful pastel purple, and I've been wanting a pastel purple bag because, like I said, I own too many pinks, and in summertime I do wear lots of pastel colors, lots of whites. I feel like this would look so pretty with an all white outfit. But yeah, I really, really like it. It's so pretty. And then in the back it does have a pocket for your convenience. You could put your credit cards in here, you could put your key fob in here, like for your car, and you could also slip your phone. I'm gonna show you guys how my phone looks if I can find it. Where is my phone anyways? Well, I can't find my phone. Oh, here it is. It's in my back pocket. I was like, where's my phone? Okay, so here's my phone, and it could easily just sit there in the back and hang out. That way I can have more space for the inside of the bag, because you know you always have your phone in your hand. Like, when are you ever going to stick it inside your bag while you're shopping? So I feel like it's just easier just to slip it in this back pocket, so you can it's like an easy access. But like I said, you could put your cards or you could slip your car keys in there. It would fit just perfect. So I'm actually going to test that out for you guys, because we are also going to do a what fits in this bag, so you guys can get the full review. So this is my keys, and it easily fits in the back pocket. So I mean, probably even with the keychain, I probably wouldn't put the keychain in there just so it doesn't stretch the bag. But if you just like have just your car key, you could easily just slip it in the back. But I would probably end up putting this in my actual bag, but just showing you guys what would fit in there. So that's the bag, and it's so cute. I'm obsessed with this bag, you guys. So when it opens, it does have the magnetic clasp, so you don't have to worry about pushing it in to close it. It's magnetic, so it'll automatically close by itself. We love convenience, okay? Because I am lazy when it comes to my bags. So here's how the inside looks, and it is just a beautiful purple color. and it does have a pocket to put credit cards as well. Like right here, it has a little slip pocket. So I'm gonna try it, show it to you guys in the best way possible. Here's how it looks. So I'm going to show you guys what fits in this bag, and I just love the gold CC. Look how pretty that is. And it has the little pearls, and it's so pretty, you guys. I'm obsessed with it. So let's go ahead and stuff some things in this bag, because you guys gotta know what fits in this bag. So the current bag that I was using today was my Neverfull. And I do have a what fits in my Neverfull here on my YouTube if you guys haven't seen it. But this is what I was using today. And I'm going to take some things from this bag and see what fits. So the first thing that I have in here is my card holder that I've currently been using. So this is the Victoria's Secret card holder. And they do still have these on the Victoria's Secret website, but it's just on the inside, it just has the slips. And then the back, I have my Starbucks gift card. So this will fit in there. So let's go ahead and put that in there. Yes, she goes cute perfectly in there. And then next thing we got is a lipstick. And this is the lipstick that I am wearing currently. This is the NYX Lingerie XXL in the shade number 3. So this is a real pretty pinky color. And I've already layered this lipstick like 3 times throughout the day, so it does look darker than it actually is because I've layered it so much. But I like that this lipstick is like pillow, it's like a pillow soft, like lightweight lipstick. It doesn't feel like too tacky. It doesn't feel like drying, like it doesn't dry up your lips. It feels like nothing, if you guys can understand what I'm saying. Anyways, we need to find out if my sunglasses fit in here, because homegirl ain't going nowhere in these sunny days without my glasses. So let's see if they fit. So they do fit barely, like they barely fit. Like, will it still close? It will close. So it barely fits snug, like very snug. So I shared these with you guys in my recent what's in my bag video. So I do make these on my Etsy shop. If you guys are interested, I'll put the link down below. But they're just really easy cloth makeup bags. They're washable, but it's just to put your makeup so that the inside of your bag doesn't get dirty, because I hate when that happens. So yeah, let's see. I don't know if the whole makeup bag will fit in here, but we're gonna find out. It does fit, you guys, look. Okay, so the makeup bag does fit, and it does still close. Wow, this fits more than you actually think that would fit in here. And I had quite a few things in that makeup bag, so for it to fit is very surprising. Let's see if the keys fit in here, because of course you need your keys. You can't go nowhere without your keys. Let's see. Stuff that in there. I'm trying. I think it's barely gonna fit. It's like, girl, you are pushing it today. Okay, there's the keys, and there it is. It fits nice and tight. It is fully packed, and I don't think anything else would fit in here, but those are the essentials. And I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of the pearls. Like, look at those. That is just so pretty. So yes, you guys, this is the bag that's going to be in the giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube, my Instagram, and then follow the Instagram that sent me this bag. And that is pretty much it. You just comment done down below when you are finished. And that is it, you guys. That is basically all the rules. I just wanted to give back to you guys, to everyone who supported me here on YouTube. I feel like I have an actual family, like I have friends, and I don't know what I'd do without you guys, because you guys, I went through a bunch of stuff, and if I didn't have you guys, I don't know where I'd be right now. I mentally, like, I don't know where I'd be. So thank you guys. I really appreciate all the love and you guys the world, so thank you. So I can't wait to see my pink bestie matching with me. So yeah, that was it for this video, you guys. I know it's kind of short, Like I said, I will be vlogging this week, so another long video will be coming soon. I know you guys enjoyed the long videos. I thought you were going to hate it, but all of you guys said that you were so happy that I posted a long video. It's like an hour long. So I'm definitely going to be vlogging this week, so another long video will be coming to you guys shortly. And until then, make sure you enter this giveaway. And that is it, you guys. I love you so much, and I'm tired, so I'm like a little bit blabbering, but thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.